Some trails in the Pryor Mountains are in desperate need of maintenance. Thanks to funding through Recreational Trails Program, run through Montana State Parks, as well as the Montana Trail Vehicle Riders Association, the Bureau of Land Management Billings Field Office, along with Advanced Trail Solutions and Scott Park Fire Service, is able to work on multiple trails within the Pryors.
So we're out here in the Pryor Mountains, and we're right off of the Red Pryor route. And we have a gentleman here today who's working on these routes, trying to do some maintenance, because the maintenance on it hasn't been done in probably over 30 years.
Other trails that will be maintained within this project include Stockman's, Burnt Timber, and Sykes Ridge.
And what we wanted to do is at least make kind of a transportation system that anybody who's a user out here, whether you're seeking quiet recreation or you're a UTV enthusiast, that you can at least access the Pryors in a safe manner. And we want to get these routes. Also, besides that, we want to make sure that we're able to get the water off and try and limit some of the erosion that's been going on over here.
Maintenance on these trails will continue through the summer and wrap up this fall.